Hello guys, welcome to Learn to Earn. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can write a professional description in your freelancer profile without any beginner in 2021. Guys, I have been receiving emails that some of the guys are having trouble in writing a professional description in their freelancing profile which is convincing enough for the client so that even with one glance client can give you the job. All right, so not only this, I will be further in the video I will be giving you a free strategy how you can basically write a professional level proposal which is convincing enough to get you a job no matter which freelancing platform you're working in on 2021 with no previous experience. So let's get into it. Yes, first thing I need you to do, no matter which freelancing platform you guys are using, when you are writing the description in your freelancer profile, the first thing that you need to do is go to Upwork. This is the Upwork marketplace. Okay, so just follow the steps, don't miss anything if you want to write a professional level description. All right, so once you go to marketplace, go and click on the search button. You see the three options here. It says hire a talent, project, or jobs. What I need you to do is click on hire professionals. Once you have clicked on it, whatever you type here, you will be seeing the freelancers which are basically master the skill which you have been looking for. For example, I personally type logo, all right, and enter. All right, wait. Now guys, I have already entered logo and it's loading. Now as you can see, when I selected the option of hire a professional and type logo, Upwork starts to show me the best freelancer around the globe who have mastered the skill of logo designing. As you can see, is Harrison J, who takes $45 per hour. If you want to hire him, it's Zishan A, then it's Eugene M. Now what I need you guys to focus on is, as you can see, there's a top rated icon on the right side of this freelancer. What you guys have to do is open the profiles of these top rated freelancers. All right, just open their profile as you can see and click on open profile in a new video. Then you go back, right, scroll down. Guys, see if there are some skills who have top rated freelancer, but those who have crossed that level and are nearly close enough or might have established a six-figure freelancing career, they are recommended as top rated plus. So if you come across the profile of a top rated plus freelancer, is the level best that you can get it. As you can see, this one takes $120 per hour to hire. Right, so we will also be opening the profile of this top rated plus freelancer. Right, nice. And I will open for another one. This one takes $20 per hour. It's also very nice. All right, so guys, I have already opened the profile of three freelancers. It's taking a bit time to load. Very cool. This one's in the process. So guys, I hope you understood the first step. You need to go to the Upwork marketplace, open the profile of the top rated freelancers, and now for example this one is already open there. Once the profile is open, you see here this text. This is the profile description. Now you can already see that this freelancer have a 92% job success rate. She has an earning of 60k. Guys, 60k is a huge amount. She has done 477 jobs and has spent almost 965 hours as a freelancer on Upwork. So I think the description of her profile is the most professional one you can get out there as a freelancer. So the best thing is that you can read it here. Usually how she describes her skills. She shows her skills and everything that she thinks that the client would like to see on her profile description. She has posted it here. So what you have to do, you can either guys, I won't recommend that you copy paste the entire description of an Upwork freelancer. Guys, please don't spam it because they have did a lot of hard work while writing their own profile description. And if you do make an account on Upwork and copy paste an entire description of another freelancer, you might get banned on Upwork, because Upwork's algorithm is very advanced. So please don't copy paste it. Yes, you can copy paste little chunks from various profile descriptions, but don't copy paste the entire thing. Okay, so as you can see, the other descriptions have also been opened. We have already viewed this one. Cool. This one was the top rated plus. Guys, check out. This is the profile description of a top rated plus freelancer. He's done 370 job, spent 1470 hours working. Since he's a top rated plus, we can't see his earning. It means he has basically crossed a 6-figure career line. So congratulations, basically, all, I guess you did well. And you can see he is charging $120 per hour. Guys, you can see how brief his profile description is, and it's giving a very professional outlook. So go out there, open the profile of various top rated and top rated plus freelancers, copy their description, chunks, only chunks. You're allowed to copy only chunks. I have already told you, if you copy paste entire profile description, even a single, or you can say a poorly rated freelancer, you are gonna get banned if you just submit the same profile description on Upwork. And I don't know if you submit it on some other freelancing platform whether they would be able to get it, but in most cases you get banned. So if you are basically serious about starting your freelancing career, it's better if you don't do such kind of rookie level mistakes. Already, I have already shown you how you can write a professional level description for your freelancer profile in 2021 as a total beginner. Guys, this strategy works for everyone. I have also tried this strategy and it worked for me, and I guess it will also work for you. Now the second thing is how we are basically going to write a proposal which is convincing enough for the client to give us a job. And the second thing is that we don't have any experience in that field and don't know how to even write a proposal. So alright, so what I would recommend you is, guys, you open the website, freelancing website known as freelancer.com. I have already made a video about how to start freelancing in 2021 as a beginner without any experience. In that, I have preferred that you start a freelancing career with freelancer.com. Alright, so the best thing about freelancer.com is here that you can view the proposal of other freelancers. Alright, so I will be writing logo. So I have entered it. I think I have having an internet issue. Don't worry. Alright, we can open the already. For example, create a marketing funnel for dental implant sale. Be opening it, guys. Okay, cool. So once it's open, okay guys, now as you can see, all the jobs related to logo has been opened. So now you can scroll down and select your favorite job which you think. For example, if it were upon me, I will literally open something which will offer me a huge amount of money, especially in dollars. So alright, so UNI graphic for small iPhone photo app. Alright, let's open this one. This is quite appealing. Right now, how are you basically going to write the proposal? It's very simple, guys, because since you have no past experience and you want to write a proposal which is very convincing so that you can get your job very quickly, so all you need to do is go to the proposal sections. In this section you will basically be able to see who are the freelancers who are trying to get this job and what kind of proposals they are submitting. This is a very crucial and important point in your freelancing journey, because guys, you are starting up, and the only way that you can learn how to write a proposal other than this is by trying it again and again, writing proposal, getting rejected, trying it again, getting rejected, and until you find a strategy, a method that works for you. However, in this strategy, all you need to do, you can search for the job for which you are trying to apply on any other freelancing platform. You come to the freelancer.com, type the job, and once you have entered the job, you can go to the proposal section. And as you can see, I have come in proposal section. Now here I click on read more, and guys, this is the proposer which NSA has written, and he has a 99% job success rate. He got an 8.1k earning. Guys, this guy is already doing amazing, and this is the proposal that he had read, and I think it's convincing enough to get this job toward him. And we can scroll down and we can open another one. As you can see, this one has also written his proposal, and he said that he will do this job for $50. Okay, so I have already showed you how you're going to write your freelancing profile description. You will go to Upwork Marketplace, type the skill which you are going to exhibit either on Upwork or in any other freelancing platform. You are going to check out the description of the top rated and top rated plus freelancers. Make something similar to that, which is appealing, which is convincing toward the client. And when it comes to submitting a proposal, you are going to come to freelancer.com, view the proposal of different high rated freelancers so that you can learn how you can write a convincing proposal so that you can get a job as soon as possible. Guys, this is very simple. As I have shown you, if you follow these steps, I think that you will be able to get the job more soon and more quickly, and very soon, because this strategy probably worked for me and for many other guys. So I think I should share it with you guys. If you do like this video, do press the subscribe button, do like this video, and if you are serious about forming a six-figure freelancer career, I prefer you go and watch the video how to start freelancing in 2021. The link will be in the description. Thank you guys.